Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome back to another unboxing video of the UniView security camera series. Today we have ourselves a UniView analog bullet camera, and the model of this camera is a UAC-B125-AF28M. And this has a 5 megapixel lens and 2.8 millimeter render distance. Taking a look at the box over here, you can notice the nice packaging by UniView. Very well defined and feels really good on my hands, actually. The following features are here, which it contains is HD rendered images, IP67 waterproof and dustproof design, 4 video formats in one device, support OSD configuration menu and easy configuration through the application interface, long distance transmission over coaxial cables, and powerful IR LED lights, and gives you more details for night vision. Taking a look at the camera here, you can see that this is not an IP camera, this is a analog camera. And so if you have a security system that you do not want to upgrade and just want to stick with that security system, the analog camera is a good option for a new high quality camera, but still integrates with a pretty old system. Let's open up the box here. When we open up the box, we are greeted with our quick start guide, straight to the point. Pull out the phone. We have our drill template, our screws and mounting joints, and the analog camera itself. Look how easy that was. A pretty simple package. We take a look at the camera over here. You see the 5 megapixel lens, and you see the 2 IR lights for the night vision detection. The audio is built in within the camera, and there's also multiple ways of, for video formats. As we take a look over here for I/O ports, you have your analog cable, so you're able to connect it to an analog port, whether it's to your NVR or XVR. And here's your power cord. And pretty much everything else in this camera is pretty straightforward and simple. If you have any questions in regards to other specifications or pricing of this camera, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.TechSecurityUSA.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.